Envision the experience of driving in opulence, equipped with state-of-the-art technology and unparalleled comfort. The 2025 Mercedes-Benz GLS, a prominent three-row SUV, guarantees this. The 2024 redesign of the GLS resulted in little alterations, although it continues to excel in terms of its size, technology, and performance, making it an excellent choice for a family vehicle. The GLS offers ample load capacity when the third row is folded. This SUV features a superior infotainment system. The USB-C ports on all three rows and the responsive touchscreen allow for charging of any device. Advanced driver assistance technologies such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping aid, and front collision avoidance enhance both safety and driving convenience. The Cadillac Escalade and Lincoln Navigator are opulent and proficient choices for larger automobiles. Additional high-end SUV options encompass the swift BMW X7 and the Land Rover Range Rover, which boasts off-road capabilities. Operating the GLS is enjoyable. During our evaluations, the GLS 450 base model achieved a 0 to 60 miles per hour acceleration time of 5.8 seconds, surpassing that of most rival vehicles. The vehicle exhibits powerful braking capabilities, seamless acceleration, and secure handling. The gentle steering enhances maneuverability in narrow spaces. The entertainment system of Mercedes is commendable, however, it can be challenging to comprehend. The navigation system distinguishes itself from phone-based mapping apps with its augmented reality overlay and precise turn-by-turn directions. All passengers have access to USB-C connectors and a wireless charging pad located near the cup holders. This car demonstrates commendable fuel efficiency relative to its dimensions. Based on our empirical evaluations, the GLS 450 achieves a fuel efficiency of 21 miles per gallon in both urban and highway driving conditions. The fuel efficiency of V8 autos will significantly decrease. The GLS is priced at a high cost, however, its construction and refinement justify the expense. The industry standard warranty on this high-end SUV reassures you.